In this video, I am going to teach you how to use multiple payment methods on Amazon. Having multiple cards saved makes checking out faster and more convenient. Make sure you're logged into your Amazon account before we begin. Let's get started. First, click your profile icon at the top right corner of the Amazon homepage. This will open a drop-down menu with several account options. Next, choose Your Payments from the list. It will take you to the Payment Settings section of your account. Then scroll down and click Add a Payment Method. This option lets you store more than one card or bank account for future use. Now, choose which type of card you prefer. For this video, I'll select credit or debit card. You can also choose other methods like gift cards or bank accounts depending on your needs. Just fill up the card details and click Add your card to save it. Your new payment method will now be listed and available during checkout. And that's how you use multiple payment methods on Amazon. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tutorials. See you next time!